Hello guys, welcome back. So this is a quick demonstration how to use EXO Card web view to view your 3D models or virtual documents. So when you open the EXO Card, you have this welcoming notes as shown here. You have an option to load a file, so you can just click it once here. And then it's open up your file manager, but mine's go directly to the folder which I keep those models which I share with you. One thing to note about these models, I have sectioned them into two parts, but it's possible to make one component out of all of them. But I decided to put them in two components so that it can easy understanding on the sectioning part. So you can, after pop-up, the file manager is shown here. You can select either you wanted to view tutorial number 2 or number 3 or number 4. Question of 1, 2 or 3 or 4 of question tutorial number 6. For example, if I wanted to view question 2, it has two parts as shown, 2A and 2B. So I'll open first 2A, this one. As you can see, this is my 2A. You can rotate it to see how it looks like. It's look very shabby. But don't worry, you can click on the icon on the right lower corner here, and then you can select the flat shading this way, and then you can click anywhere, and then you can have, now it's look somehow good, somehow better than the previous version or the previous views. So this is my first part of the component question number 2. You can add the second part of the component number 2 by picking or clicking on the plus icon here, and then it open up the file manager again. You have to browse and find wherever you put your models as I share with you. So in this case, I have to open up a B question tutorial 6.2b, this one. Now I have an option to open up another file in the new location, or I can add this one in the same existing. So select the first option, that is to add the file to the existing scene. So this one, and it's add on this one. As you can see now, you have something like this one. But again, we have the same problem. You can do the same maneuver, clicking on the icon, the lighter lower corner here, and then you can select the flat shading, and then select again. Now you have the component, and now it's look like, or how it's supposed to look like. So this is my component, as you can see. You can rotate it whatever direction you want. If you wanted to view on this side, as you can see, so this is my how it look like. And if you want to look on the top view, you can rotate it by using your finger, and this is my top view, something like this one. One thing to note, you can change, this one is not a typical orthographic projection. As you can see, you are viewing some shades. If I put it on this way, you can change it by changing here, viewing field here. By putting some values, you have some orientation. This is more oblique or perspective. So you have to make sure that this one is on very lower, so it's 1 degrees. This is orthographic. Now you can see this is orthographic. If you put some values like this one, and then you exit from this one, as you can see now, if I wanted to view on the front of you, I see some darkness here, as you can see here. If you wanted to see on the top of you, again, you are going to have the same darknesses. Try to show you some parts of the, as you can see here, I see the circle and some part on the inside surface of the circle. So this is not a typical orthographic view. If you wanted to get a typical orthographic view, remember, you have to go here, and then to the second part, a view angle, you put very small, or 0, or 1 in this case, and then exit. So this is how you can use this view. Now, if you want to see the the hidden lines, for example, in the front of you. This is my front of you. So this is my front of you. If you wanted to see the hidden line, you have to click on the second light icon below here, and then you can select it to keep it transparent. I have two components. This is for component number 1, as you see, A and B. So this one you can add transparent for both of them, and then you can see now maybe 25 or 24. So you can have some transparency on the component, and now you can see the position of the hidden lines. For this case, as you can see, these for this Seiko, sorry, for this Seiko, and for this one also, you can see it's, you can see them. As you can see, some hidden lines here, and also on the left hand side, if you wanted to look on the left hand side, or you can use these arrows. So this is my top view. Now you can see here I have these hidden lines. I have this hidden line for smaller Seikos here, and so on and so on. Now for the visualization of section views, you can use the same icon here, the second one, and select maybe to put one in transparent and the other one in visible mode. For example, in this case, this one is in full mode and the other one is in transparent mode. Now my component it's look like something like this one. As you can see, now this is my cutting plane as shown, the line of demarcation between the two parts. If you are looking from the front of view, on this side you are going to see this side this way, but this one is supposed to look like this one, as you can see now. And now you can see so this is my front of view. You can see these holes, they are going to be visible, and this part of the slots, the two holes are visible. This one and also this one is visible, and also this one, the slot is also visible. If you want, again, you can add, you can increase the transparency, for example in this case, and then you can see more clearly how it's look like. So this is how you can use your EXO card to view those models. If you are having problem on how to visualize those components, or to get those hidden lines, section planes, or hidden, how the section view is going to look like. So this is the purpose of these the models is for that purpose. Similarly, you can hide, for example here you can click this eye to hide this component B. Now you have only one component. Now you can see it's clearly on the front of you. So this is the section view, it's how it's going to look like. As you can see the bigger hole and the counterbores for the two holes and also the slots. So this is about it. Thank you very much. If you have problem, you can consult me. Have a nice evening.